Hi, my name is Zach, founder and CEO of SkillSuite. SkillSuite is so much more than just a standard LMS with text and videos. We've designed SkillSuite to be much more interactive and much easier to build courses with and to empower your employees to grow and succeed. If you can build a PowerPoint, you can build a SkillSuite course. It's that easy. To begin building a course, we usually recommend that you start with your course outline, where you create the lessons and sections and the main structure of what it is that you want this course to be. And you can drag and drop and rearrange those at any point if you want. You can also add quizzes and assessments to help test your learners' knowledge and see how well they did. In the section builder, simply click and add the element blocks that you want. We currently have 8 interactive elements and we're constantly adding more. Right now, those elements are interactive text blocks, images, image hotspots, videos, flashcards, sorting cards, and others. These interactive elements have been designed to make it easier to build a course and to stimulate the creativity that you need for the course content. And it also helps teach your learners better and so that they absorb more and learn more. Using these interactive elements, we find that most people don't have to go and build a really high production video. Although videos are always great, a lot of the times videos become the bottlenecks that prevents the courses actually getting out to the people that need them. Your course is completely customizable. So in the course settings, you can change the completion requirements, the theme colors, and add supplemental documents to make the course exactly how you want it to be and how you want it to be displayed. Once you create a course, they're all editable. So if there ever comes a time that any process changes, or let's say you find a spelling error, or you just need to update the training course, with SkillSuite, your course is a living document that you can go back in and edit and improve continuously. You don't have to be the only person to build courses either. You can invite collaborators to help you build your courses, people like the managers and the subject matter experts that really know the training's the best. And so they can come in and build it out. All of the burden of building courses for your entire business doesn't have to rely with just one person. It's so easy to use that anybody can hop on and build a course. I feel like a lot of the times with training courses, people tend to never feel like they're good enough. And so they're hesitant to launch a course and to send it out to the people that need them, even though they're probably good enough to get started with. We have a truly customizable course builder that makes it so easy to build courses, so easy to edit them. Your courses will go from just an idea and bullet lists to completely done and issued out to your employees that need them the most. SkillSuite is empowering companies to redefine their training strategies and incorporate something that actually works for them. Every company is so unique and they all need trainings in order to make their company the best that it can be. It's been fun to watch our sales team work with large enterprise clients that are very experienced in training management. And they say to us, this seems too easy to be true. What are we missing? And there's no catch. Like, it really is that simple. We've brought SkillSuite to a level that nobody has ever seen before. And we're super excited for more people to join the platform and to see how it can empower their companies.